Right, just got our wood chipper. This is all the parts are including with the instructions, all the tools that's necessary, including the rest of the stuff, and how to take it apart, how to maintenance this thing. It's all included in here. We're gonna put it together and start using it now. So out of the box is about 20 pounds, 10 pounds, somewhere in there. It's not that heavy. The heaviest part is the engine part.
All right, as you guys can see, this is a tree that we're gonna trim down right in front of my house. It's a large tree, but it's blocking my camera. So let's trim it down.
You don't have to toss this. You can use it as a fertilizer for your next plants. This is how loud it is. So we're gonna turn it off. We cleaned up everything. We trimmed the tree down. So we're gonna turn it off. All right, so left of it is only leaves right now, so I'm going to explain to you. It has these little clips here that I like. So not just this bag, you can put it in any other bag. To maintenance this, there's a lock mechanism here, right? And this whole red part comes off, all right? Now, recommendation, don't have it hooked up, even if your power's off. Don't have it hooked up in order you're going to mess with it. Like I said, if you ever get a clog, take it out. Very simple. They also give you extra blades in here, so be careful with your fingers when you're getting things out. Here's the blades that I'm talking about with the Allen wrench that they give you. This is where you replace them. Now, don't touch this. Use something sharp or something flat or something so you can move the blades in case you get any kind of stuck or movement. Don't use your fingers at all, and make sure it's disconnected when you're doing this kind of maintenance.